Hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up Shopify store for affiliate marketing. The first thing you will need to do once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to tap on apps from the left-hand menu option. Then I want you to tap on app and sales channel settings. Then you're going to tap on Shopify App Store in the top right-hand corner. Once on this page, you can simply tap on the search bar right here and you could type in affiliate real quick. So you can type in affiliate, or you can select affiliate marketing or affiliate program. You can select whichever one of these options. Once on this page, what I want you to do next is tap on up promote affiliate marketing, as this will be the app that we'll be using to create our own affiliate program. And you can see that they offer a free plan. So by scrolling down with their free plan, you'll be able to accept unlimited affiliates. You can approve or deny 200 referrals per month, and you can also see the cost for their paid plan. So we're going to simply scroll back up and tap on install. Then you'll be redirected to a new page and you're going to tap on install once more. Once it has been installed, you'll be redirected to the Up Promote dashboard. Once on the dashboard, I'll be showing you how to set it up. So you can see right there, your first name, last name, email address, and then you're going to create a password. So you can tap on enter password right there. And you're going to simply enter your password. You can tap right here and you can enter the password once more. So I'm going to do that real quick and then we can continue the tutorial. Once you're finished, you'll be redirected to this page. What is your primary objective? Once you're finished, you'll be redirected to this page. What is your primary objective in using Upwork? And from there, you can see expand affiliate network, optimize affiliate management, automate affiliate processes, or convert customers to brand advocates. You can select whichever one of these options best suits you. Then you're going to tap on next. How many affiliates do you have right now? I'm going to select 0 since I'm just getting started. And what is your industry? You can select your industry real quick. So for example, let's say I'm in the jewelry niche. Then I'll tap on start quick setup. After you have done that, you'll tap on get started. Then from here, you can scroll down. You can set the commission rate that you would like to offer. You can see commission type. You could tap right there whether it is a percentage of the sale you like to give your affiliates, or a flat rate per item, or a flat rate per order. You can select that. You can also set the commission amount. So let's say, for example, 15%. Then tap on save and next. After you have done that, you can tap on create an affiliate account right there. You could create a test account. So you can tap right here to create an account and you'll be able to create a test account. Once you have done that, you will tap on next. Then from there, you can test out the fake account, affiliate account that you have created. You'll be able to test the tracking system. Then you'll tap on next right there. And from here, you can select the different methods that you'll be using to pay your affiliates. So for example, you can select PayPal, debit card, Venmo, or so on. Then you will tap on save and finish. After you have tapped on save and finish, you can see right there, it is now finished. We can tap on go to home. After you have tapped on go to home, from here, you can scroll down and you could also set up a refer a friend program if you want right there by tapping on set up refer a friend. Now to view your registration form, as you can see right here, we could simply copy the link. Then we can paste the link right here. After you have pasted the link, you can see how it looks at the moment. If it is a case that you would like to edit the form, all you'll need to do is go back onto the Up Promote dashboard. Then you could tap on customize your affiliate registration form. After you have done that, you can see a preview of how it looks right here. And to customize it, you can simply go over to the left-hand menu option. For example, let's say we like to customize the text. We could tap on benefits text right there. Then you can scroll down. You can change the cookies day. So let's say instead of it being 30 days, we change it to 25 days. And you can see that it changed automatically. You can change the commission type, the commission amount. You can also edit the text right here. So since we are offering 15%, I'm going to change the text right there. You can also add form fields if you want. So you could tap right there. And for example, you can add other form fields by tapping on add your own field. So if it is a short answer you would like to add, a long answer or multiple choice, you can also do that. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Save Changes in the top right hand corner. Once you have saved the changes, you can simply tap on Back. And then from there, you can go over to the left hand menu option and you'll be able to view your programs. So you can see the program that we had created right there. You can also view your affiliates once they sign up, and you'll be able to view referrals. You'll be able to see the payouts that you have processed and so on. So all you need to do now, you can share your link right here. So we could tap here and we can tap on, for example, the up promote affiliate. Once you have done that, you could copy the URL and you can share it quite quickly. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.